Hello, my name is Gergő Ijés and this is your daily food. Today I'm gonna show you how to make irresistible scrambled eggs. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Let's get started. Cut up some chives for later. You're gonna need 3 eggs. Whisk them up together with some seasoning. Sourdough bread is a good choice because it stays crispy after you have added your eggs. Let's be honest, nothing is worse than having a soggy bread for breakfast. Toast your bread with olive oil till brown. Put a reasonable amount of butter in a pan. The trick is to keep stirring your eggs in a low heat and be careful to not overcook it. To give your scrambled eggs that irresistible flavor, add a small amount of truffle oil as you go. It's gonna give you a powerful, rich flavor. Add it to your toast, sprinkle some chives. That's it. Chop down. Enjoy!